Hi friends! Today we're going to play a game for math called Shake and Spill. And we're going to play this game as we learn how to find pairs of numbers that make 10. So we're going to work with numbers that make 10 today. So the first thing you're going to need is some sort of cup or container that you can put some objects in that you can then shake around and then spill onto a surface, and it has two sides. And then you're going to need the object. So I went around and I looked for some coins because I figured, you could use pennies, nickels, and the coin has two different sides. You can see this side is the head, and then this side is different. It looks like a building. It's called tails, but it's really a picture of a building. You can see that. So if I flip this, sometimes it might fall on the head side. Sometimes it might fall on the tail side. So this would be a good thing to use for this game. Pennies work well too. If you have little counters that are one color one side and another color the other side, like we do in school, those work great, but we don't have these, so we're just going to use our nickels. So you want to start off with 10 nickels. So I'm just going to go ahead and count these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you want to make sure that you have 10. I have 5 on top, 5 on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that I have 10. So that's the first thing. So you're going to grab your 10 items, and then you're going to put them in a cup or something that you can then spill them out. So you're going to put them in a cup, and it's called shake and spill. So you're going to shake, shake, shake. Then you're going to spill them out. And then you're going to put all the ones that have the heads on one side and all the tails. In this case, it's like the building. We'll call that tails. We're going to put that on another side. So that's a head, that's a head, that's a tail, that's a head. This is a tail, and this is a tail. So these are my two parts. I have 1, 2, 3 heads. Okay, those are my 3 heads. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tails. I know that I have 10 altogether because we counted them. But when I do my parts, I can see that I have 3 heads and 7 tails. And if I make a number bond, right, it would look like this. I would put 10 here because that's my whole. 3 were heads and 7 were tails. And those are my parts. So that's the first step of the game. Shake, spill, and then see what your two parts are. But then you're going to take those parts. So in this case, we have 7 and 10, and we're going to then show it on our worksheet. Now you can download this if you like, or you can just make 10 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then it says blank and blank make 10. So those are our parts. In this case, we had 7 and 10. 7 and 3. So 3 were heads. So I'm just going to go ahead and color 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And then the rest, which were 7, were tails. So then these would be tails. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my parts are 3 and 7. 3 and 7 together make 10. 3 and 7. Okay? That was one round. Then you're just going to keep going. Okay, you can play this game as many times as you want. So 3 and 7 make 10. Then you can start over. And you're going to take all your coins or whatever it is that you're playing with, and you'll put them in the cup again. And you'll shake, 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 spill, and you'll do it again. So then divide them into the two parts. Here are my tails, tails, heads, heads. And just go ahead and separate those out. Oh, I got a lot more heads this time. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heads Oh, I bet we can guess how many tails I got. Since we have 10 altogether and I got 5 heads, I'm guessing we have 5 tails. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 heads and 5 tails. Those are our parts. And again, you can write your number bond, right? So your whole and your parts. And in this case, we know 10 is our whole, and 5 heads and 5 tails together, right? Together make 10. So 5 and 5 are our parts. So we'll go ahead and we'll draw 5 heads. So I'm just coloring and use 2 colors so you can see the 2 parts. Any 2 colors you like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my heads, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my tails. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill in my parts here in the sentence frame. So I'm going to write 5 and 5 make 10. Okay? You'll keep playing. When you're done, you can just play some more. Okay? That's how you play the game. I hope you have fun. Bye!